how to fix WhatsApp messages are not showing on your device. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like WhatsApp messages are not showing on your device. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the settings on your device. Alright, so after you open the settings, you'll have to scroll down and go to the option apps. Okay, so from the app section, you'll have to find out the application WhatsApp. Alright, so after you find the WhatsApp, you'll have to just tap on that. Alright, so from the WhatsApp section, make sure that you have allowed it this access like background app refresh. So you have to just give the permission for background app refresh, and after you give the permission for background app refresh or background data usage, you can easily fix that problem on your device. And if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just back from here, and from the settings section again, you'll have to just clear the cache of WhatsApp from your device. So for that, you'll have to tap on general. From here, tap on iPhone storage, and from here again you'll have to find out the application WhatsApp. Okay, so from here simply tap on upload app, and from here you can easily tap on that upload app option, and after it's complete you'll have to just tap on the option reinstall app, and after there you can easily clear the cache of WhatsApp on your iPhone. So after you clear the cache on your device, that problem might be solved now. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.